creamy, delicious, very filling and flavorful. This green banana porridge is worth a try. Wow. Just look at the consistency. It's just perfect. It's loaded with lots of flavor since I added in some cinnamon powder. Also, this green banana porridge is healthy and very nutritious, making it perfect to serve for your toddlers, that is from the age of 6 and above. This is a recipe worth trying because it's different. I know, yes, I know it's very different because you're going to be using green bananas, making this recipe perfect for you to serve for breakfast or brunch. To make this delicious, creamy green banana porridge, you'll need around 3 to 4 medium green bananas. And over here, I have mine, which I've already peeled. And I also have some green bananas over here. So as you can see, the outside of the banana is green and the inside is starchy. It is quite starchy because it is not ripe. So green bananas are enjoyed widely, and this is a recipe worth trying because it is different, it is delicious, and the outcome is just perfect and very filling. Because I've already peeled and washed my bananas, I'm going to get straight into cooking. So I'm going to place my green bananas aside. And in a saucepan, I'm going to add in 1.5 cups of water. For this recipe, you'll need a high-speed blender or a blender that can chop up your green bananas. So in your blender, you're going to be adding in your green bananas, half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, sugar, maize flour, and your milk. This is 2 cups of milk, so I'm going to add in 1.5 cups of milk. Cover your blender and then you're going to blend everything until smooth. After around a minute, your green bananas are going to be very nice and smooth. That is the mixture. And this is how the mixture is looking like. Very nice and creamy. Once the water has come to a boil, you're going to reduce the flames to medium-low. And then you're going to add in your blended green bananas together with milk and all the seasoning into the pot, stirring continuously so that you avoid any lumps. After a minute, your green banana porridge is going to start to thicken up and it's going to have very large bubbles. So using your milk, you're going to thin out the porridge to get to your perfect or the right consistency. This is how I love my green porridge. As you can see, it's not runny and it's not too thick. So once you get the right consistency, you're going to let the porridge simmer for around 5 to 6 minutes on medium-low flame. And if the porridge thickens up, you can still add in more milk and let the milk cook together with the porridge. Green bananas have lots of vitamins and minerals that our body needs, and also they are high in fiber, which makes this porridge perfect for you because it's very filling. As the porridge is cooking, you're going to check if the porridge is sweet enough. If it's not sweet enough, you're going to add in more sugar, and you can sweet the sugar with some honey. Also, when it comes to milk, you can add in vegan-friendly milk and enjoy your green banana porridge. I've added in some cinnamon, which is a warm spice, and it's going to add in a very nice taste to my porridge. So you can also add in some nutmeg because it's also a warm spice. My green banana porridge is ready and it's looking very creamy and delicious. I've topped up my porridge with some more cinnamon because cinnamon is very flavorful and has a very nice taste. I have a mug of more green banana porridge over here, which I'm going to be enjoying. And this is the perfect recipe for you because it takes less than 10 minutes to prepare and the outcome is different. flavorful and very delicious. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you'll be trying out this easy green banana porridge.